subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, now we talk about Oppo's new released watch, Oppo Watch Free. Oppo Watch Free has a 1.64-inch AMOLED display with a 280 by 456 resolution, DCI-P3 color gamut, and a 326 ppi pixel density. Rectangular display is housed in a frame made of polycarbonate and fiber, while the underside is covered in a material made of nylon plastic, PA, and fiber. Attached to the watch are silicone straps with a leather texture, which Oppo claims are breathable and comfortable to wear during sleep. Fitness tracker can track more than 100 sports modes including cricket, skipping, archery, skiing, volleyball, kayaking, and badminton. Only 4 sports can be automatically tracked, and they are running, walking, rowing and ellipticals. There is even a built-in trainer for running. There is a heart rate monitor, and the Oppo Watch Free will display the 5 heart rate zones in real time. It will also warn the user when the heart rate is too high or too low. There is also sleep tracking, snoring detection, music playback control. It has an NFC version that allows you to store bus cards and bank cards for contactless payment. Oppo Watch Free also comes with Oppo's Brino voice assistant with support for an offline mode. Oppo Watch Free has an eSports mode. When activated, all notifications and alerts are automatically sent to the watch instead of appearing on your phone. eSports mode works only with the Oppo Find X3 series and Reno 6 series. Oppo says that more of its phones will gain support later. There is also a sleep mode on the watch, which when activated, turns on Do Not Disturb mode on your phone. Fitness tracker has a 230 mAh battery that will provide up to 14 days of usage. It also supports fast charging, as Oppo claims a quick 5-minute charge will provide enough charge to last a day. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0 and it is compatible with Android devices running Android 6 and later, as well as devices running iOS 10 and later. Oppo Watch Free is available in 2 colors, Quick Sand Gold and Silent Night Black. And the price is $85 for the standard version, and $93 for the NFC version. So friends, how did you like this watch? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.